Title slide. How to use Google Gemini, your guide to Google's AI assistant. Getting started with Gemini. To get started with Gemini, you can access it on the web by visiting gemini.google.com in your browser or on mobile by downloading the Gemini app from the App Store or Google Play. To set up your account, you will need to sign in with your Google account and accept the terms of service. The interface has a few key areas. The chat area is where you type or speak your prompts. There is a model selector to choose between different versions of the AI. And there is an upload button that lets you share images or documents. Gemini models and plans. There are several models available. The 2.5 Flash model is best for quick responses and everyday tasks and is available on the free plan. The 2.5 Pro model is designed for more complex reasoning and content creation. It's available in a limited capacity on the free plan and fully on the Pro plan. The 2.5 Pro DeepThink model is for advanced reasoning and research and is available on the Ultra plan. When choosing a plan, the free plan offers basic features. The Pro plan at $19.99 per month gives you full access to the 2.5 Pro model, video generation, and 2 terabytes of storage. The Ultra plan at $249.99 per month provides the highest level of access to all models and 30 terabytes of storage. Core features and capabilities. Gemini has several key capabilities. It can perform text generation and engage in natural conversations. It can also generate images from text descriptions using Imagen 4. With the VO models, it can create 8-second videos from text or images. For research, it can analyze hundreds of websites to create comprehensive reports. It can also process documents up to 1,500 pages at once and analyze up to 30,000 lines of code at once. The most common uses are text generation, followed by image creation, deep research, video generation, and finally, code and document analysis. Practical use cases. For personal assistance, you can use Gemini for planning trips and events, setting reminders, and answering general knowledge questions. For work and productivity, it can help with drafting emails and documents, summarizing meeting notes, and creating presentations. For learning and education, it's useful for creating study plans, explaining complex topics, and practicing language skills. For creative projects, you can use it to generate images and videos, brainstorm ideas, and write stories or scripts. Based on user engagement, the most popular category is personal use, followed by work, education, creative, research, and coding. Tips for effective prompting. To get the best results, it's important to write clear prompts. Be specific and include details about the format, length, and style you want. Use clear action verbs like explain, summarize, or analyze, and provide background information when needed. For example, a bad prompt would be, "Tell me about climate change." A much better prompt would be, "Explain 3 major impacts of climate change on agriculture in a 2-paragraph summary." You can also use follow-up techniques. Ask for elaboration by saying, "Can you explain that in more detail?" Or request alternatives by asking, "What's another approach to this problem?" Providing context is also key. You can upload relevant files like documents or images, reference previous conversations, or specify your role, for instance, as a teacher planning a lesson. Integration with Google ecosystem. Gemini is integrated into many Google apps. In Gmail, it can draft emails and summarize threads. In Docs, it can generate content and edit text. In Sheets, it helps create formulas and analyze data. And in Slides, it can design presentations. There is also a Chrome extension that allows you to access Gemini directly in your browser to get assistance while browsing websites, helping with tasks like coding, shopping, and research. On mobile, the Gemini app connects with Google Photos, Maps, and YouTube. It also supports voice commands for hands-free operation to set alarms, reminders, and control smart home devices. Conclusion. The key takeaways are that Gemini is Google's most advanced AI assistant with multimodal capabilities. You can choose between free, pro, and ultra plans based on your needs. Remember that effective prompting leads to better results, and Gemini integrates seamlessly with the Google ecosystem. For learning more, you can visit the Google AI Studio, the Gemini documentation website, or watch tutorial videos on the Google AI YouTube channel. The future of Gemini is focused on continued growth in its capabilities.